Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic, and I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, after a long time, I'm back and in front of camera. Actually, I was some kind of busy. That's why I couldn't make video and I couldn't practice as well. And I also have been suffering for a long time. Now I feel good. I feel better than yesterday. Actually, I'm trying to practice a little bit as much as I can by making video. I think making video is really helpful to improve my spoken English. That's why I'm doing my work. And you know that practice makes a man perfect. That's why I'm trying to practice as much as I can. I'm trying to learn how to make sentences about anything, and I'm trying to apply vocabulary that I learned. You can also try it. It's really helpful, and I think this is the best way to iron out my problems. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that we should practice every single day. Even though we are having so many problems, we are having different types of problems, it doesn't matter. You can practice at least 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's just enough. It's okay. You can practice. So, start practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. Without practicing, we can't be fluent as speaker. We can't improve our spoken English. So I think we should practice every single day as much as possible. However, sometimes I get busy. That's why I can't practice and I can't make video. It doesn't matter. I always try to practice as much as I can, at least 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, and so on. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, actually, today in this video, I'm going to talk about an excavator. As you can see behind me, there is a yellow color excavator. It's really big one because my camera is not focusing on this whole excavator. That's why I think it's really big one. And this is yellow color excavator. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that I'm really gonna talk about excavator and trying to make sentences about it. Where we'll be looking at how to talk about an excavator and how to make sentences about it and how to explain it in English very well, smoothly. So let's get started. An excavator could be used to dig anywhere from 350 to 1,000 cubic yards per day, depending on a number of factors, including bucket capacity and operator skill, and then type of ground, and then efficiency level, and so on. An excavator cup is able to make a full 360-degree rotation because of its rotary unions devices that supply hydraulic fluid. Actually, excavators are very heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, bucket, or cylinder, counterweight, and cab on a rotating superstructure atop and undercarriage with tracks or wheels. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, actually these machines are mainly used for digging purposes as well as various lifting and carrying tasks. I think basically a smaller excavator may have a reach of around 15 to 20 feet. Off the top of my head, while larger excavator can have 50 feet, can have a reach of 50 feet or more. The engine moves hydraulic fluid, adjusting the pressures, thus moving the boom, bucket, cup, uh, cylinder, and so on. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, uh, hydraulic fluid is the most common fuel type used in excavators. Uh, you know, the history of diesels dates back to 1890. Dear lovely brothers and sisters, an excavator generally takes 10 to 14 gallons. I have mentioned back that about bucket. Actually, bucket is used for digging land. Actually, it takes land from any place and throw it another place. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, I don't want to make it longer. Stay well and safe. Please pray 5 times. Allah Hafiz. If you enjoy watching this video so far, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and please follow me on Facebook as well. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, if you think that this video is really helpful for learning so many things, for becoming inspired, please share the video to your brothers and sisters, colleagues, cousins, relatives, every single person. And if you think that anyone can be inspired by this video, so please share the video on Facebook, on Messenger group, WhatsApp group, everywhere. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, stay well and safe. Please take care of yourself. Please pray 5 times and Allah Hafiz.